Are you struggling to find jobs? Are you struggling to update your CV because it just takes too long? And the advice you hear from the experts is every CV needs to be unique and aligned to every single job application. Nobody's got a lot of time to be able to do those things. And then you're going to be probably struggling with minimum contact. The companies are not reaching out to you, the HR or the talent acquisition people are not calling you back. Well, today I want to help you land some of those engagements and hopefully get you an interview. If you're interested in this video or this style of video, connect with me on social media and I'll help you hopefully land your first role in cybersecurity. Now, as you can see here, I am on Gemini. Why am I using Gemini? Because I just wanted to create a blank CV. So this will demonstrate to you guys that anybody can do this. You can do it. Anybody can really do this. Most of you have already got a Google account. If not, just get yourself a Google account or any other account that you think uh, will help you get access to free AI agent or AI tool. Like I said, I use Google, so I'm going to make the most of it. So in here, as you can see, I've given it a bit of a prompt. I just want to be able to show you that anybody can create a CV. So you can type in information based on your skill set. Don't upload your CV just yet because I want you to take your personal data off that CV before you upload it. Because anything that you upload in these kind of freemium services, they will use your data to train the engine, and then God knows where your information goes. So let's not do that. Now, the first thing you're going to do is you're just going to create a script. Here, I've just said, create me a .doc file format CV for a person called James Smith. Who's James Smith? Could be you, could be me, could be anybody. James has worked in the retail industry since leaving college at the age of 16 ages. Okay, let's fix that. At the age of 16. Now, very typical. A lot of people decide not to go to university. You may choose not to either. So, um, you've left college and you started working in retail. Now, James, in this scenario, has 5 years of experience in retail. That's a lot of experience at such a young age. So this is really good foundation, I think, for a company called TK Maxx. Now, if you're in the US, this is TJ Maxx. We just call it, our company is called TK Maxx here in some parts of Europe, and I guess other regions as well. And then rest of it, I just told it to do as you see fit. So as you can see, I'm just using the Flash version. You can go crazy. If you've got a lot of time on your hands, give it the Pro. If you're using the free one, I think eventually the tokens are going to run out. So you're going to have to switch it back down. Click on Submit. Give it a moment. Let it do its thing. Okay, there we go. It has created me a CV. So what we are doing is we're just going to click on this. And as you can see, it's created me a pretty cool looking CV, giving it a personal or professional profile. Some of us call it a personal statement, key skills, sales assistant, floor associate at TK Maxx, joined June 2023 till now, retail team member at Next, which is another kind of clothing, shoe, accessory style shop here in the UK. Primark, a value provider in the UK. It's also listed some qualifications, which is excellent to see. So as you can see, AI has done its job. Now, what we will do next is we are going to close this down. And then we will ask it, just move this down a little bit. Suitable for a role in cybersecurity. Here's a job spec. I would like you to align my CV with. Okay, let's quickly find a entry level cybersecurity jobs. SOC analyst, I think a 42K, that's probably a top end role. Training cybersecurity specialist, there we go. Now, what we'll do is we'll simply copy and paste this. Entry level, 24K a year. Boom. Send. Now, it needs to start going through the job spec. It needs to start looking through the CV and start aligning it to the job spec. Here we go. We're starting to see some results. There you are. Now, as you can see here, it's starting to use some buzzwords: analytical, observant. Remember, as a SOC analyst, you need to have all these skills. Highly disciplined. So if I'm the hiring manager for this role, I'll be looking at all these things: securing, protecting data, maintaining operational integrity. There we go. Risk identification and mitigation. That's a useful skill. Data protection, data privacy and GDPR compliance. EPOS, electric point of sale, digital system troubleshooting. So if there's a problem. So you can see that AI has done all of the work for me, and I can very easily now copy and paste this text in to a Word format and start aligning it. So remember to be careful with your personal data. Don't share your email address in there unless you've already joined this AI platform using your email address. That's cool. If you don't have to share your address in a CV anymore. That's old school. You don't need to tell them if you've got a driving license if the job spec doesn't require you to have a driving license. So the next thing you would do is you would download the CV and you go to the website wherever this entry level role is. In this case, it's at Netcom Training. I guess they are looking for somebody, and you would click apply. Apply now, and simply click on send. So use AI to your advantage and start working through some of the job applications. If you need any other guidance or help, reach out to me. Send us a comment or send me a DM, and I'd be happy to support you free of charge. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, give me a shout. Otherwise, good luck. Speak to you soon.